This is Gracie. She's our deaf puppy. She is one of Ladybug's pups. She was born deaf, so we kept her. But those are not her puppies, and she is cleaning every one of them, stimulating them, and cleaning their rear ends, cleaning their mouth. She's been in there for 15 minutes, working her way through them. And Gracie is still a puppy. She's not very old. But she can't hear. That's why she's kind of ignoring me. Gracie, hey girl. Gracie, Gracie. What are you doing? Hey. What are you doing? You cleaning the babies? This is our little makeshift pen to keep them. Oh, that's my reloading stuff for reloading bullets. She's been cleaning these babies for a while. Every one of them. And there's Mama. Hey, Ladybug. You worn out, girl? Are you tired? Huh? You sweet girl. We've had Gracie fixed so that she couldn't be bred. But she has a mama's instinct. She loves puppies. If something ever happens to Ladybug, we've got an instant backup mama. I just want to share that with you guys. We have 9 puppies available. If anybody is looking for one, they're going to be big. Gracie is about half grown, and she's a little over 60 pounds right now. I think she's 65 or 66 pounds. Her mama, Ladybug, is right at 100. And her daddy, Petey, he's 65. There's Mama, there's Ladybug, and there's Petey. Hey, buddy. This is their couch. We had to cover it with moving blankets because they chew it and tear it up. And hey, Bug, she's wore out and puppies have drained her. If you guys are looking for little puppies, if you're near me in the Panhandle of Florida, reach out to me through email at standinggoatsrescue@outlook.com, and I'll put that in the description below this video if you're interested in a puppy. They are not free / with a rehoming fee. If you're charging anything at all, any type of fees, then it is not free. These puppies are free. You give me nothing. You take the puppies, but they need a good home. And if you show up to get a puppy and you're drunk or you're drinking, then you will not be leaving with one. I apologize for that, but we have learned through trial and error through the years that very few times that we've had people coming up drinking that have gotten pups or other animals from us, we ended up down the road getting the animal back from them in pretty rough condition. And so we don't we don't pass animals on to people like that. If you can't remain sober long enough to pick a puppy up, then, you know, it's kind of a, well, you guys get it. But anyhow, if you're interested in a puppy, we have males and females. They're all black and white with the exception. Is there two of the little blue ones left?
Yeah, the two male blue ones are left. The female is spoken for.
Okay, that's one of the blue ones right there, the blue and white.
I will do the initial shots too.
We have two of the blue males left. There's the other one, the one Gracie's cleaning. The other two are, the puppies are trying to nurse on him. But anyhow, those are left. So if you guys are looking for puppies, we have a total of 9 puppies left. The blue ones, there's only 2 blue ones. There's 3, but one of them's already spoken for. But there's 2 male blue ones left. They'll be like Gracie. Gracie is a blue. Her blue is a little bit dark. You can see the spots on her ear. But anyhow, just let me know if you're interested. Again, my email is standinggoats with an S rescue. standinggoatsrescue@outlook.com. Have a wonderful day. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, be safe.